This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Beautifully maintained traditional Cape Cod located 1 block from the beach. This home has a large front porch for those evening swings. Open floor plan with 10 ceilings, oak floors, recessed lights. Kitchen has breakfast bar, granite counters, stainless steel appliances. Kitchen opens to a family room/den area. First floor primary suite with walk-in closet. Tiled primary bath with double vanity sink, walk-in seated shower. Second floor has office/study area and plenty of eaves storage. Oversized fenced backyard for the kids and pets. Driveway has solar-powered security gate. Large 1.5 car garage. Walk-in crawl space with 7 ceilings and electrical switches and outlets can be used for more storage. The kids' hangout or just a man cave. You're within close proximity to naval bases, interstate, shopping, coffeehouses and dog park. For more information, review the details below.